Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, today we're going to dive into how to convert USDC to USDT on the Ethereum network. We'll be using Paytrie and Uniswap as an example, but the process is pretty much the same across most DEXs. So let's jump right into it. So how do we get that? Through Paytrie. Let's break it down quickly. First, head over to Paytrie and log into your account. If you don't have one, no worries. It's super easy to set up. Now, select USDC on Ethereum and choose the amount you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to grab $100 worth. Next, grab your Ethereum wallet address. If you're using MetaMask, Coinbase, or Exodus, this is where you'll send your USDC. Time to complete the payment. Paytrie will guide you through using Interac eTransfer. It's a quick and easy process. Now click on Pay with Interact and find your bank institution in this list and log in and accept transfer. Once you complete the payment, your USDC will be sent to your Ethereum wallet. Just sit tight. It should arrive in about 60 minutes. Now let's head over to Uniswap. Open up uniswap.org. In the Sell field, choose USDC from the drop-down menu. In the Buy field, select USDT. If USDT doesn't show up right away, you can search for it using its contract address. Once you've selected USDC and USDT, enter the amount of USDC you want to swap. You'll see the estimated amount of USDT you'll receive on the other side. Before hitting the swap button, take a second to review the details. Once you're happy with everything, click the swap button. You'll get a confirmation window pop up in your MetaMask wallet asking you to approve the transaction. After you confirm the transaction, wait for the blockchain to process it. This could take a few seconds or up to a minute, depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see your USDT in your wallet. Congrats! You've successfully swapped USDC for USDT on Ethereum. You can now hold, send, or use your USDT however you like. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.